So hello guys, welcome back with another video in Electronic Studio. So today we are going to learn how to create the work environment for the Teensy 4.0 development board in Arduino IDE. So before starting, I want to show you the which one is the board, guys. This one is our Teensy. So this one is the our Teensy 4.0 board. This is a processor is there, and here LEDs are there nearby this switch button, and here is also power LED is also there. And this is a front view of the board, and this is the pin outs are there for what are the pins are there and what is the purpose of each pins. Everything is mentioned here. And if you want to see the back side of the board, here also you can see what are the things are there, pins, everything are there, connections related to this board. So for making the environment, first I have to go to the Arduino IDE. So there I will show you to how to create the working environment for the Teensy 4.0 board. So we have to wait some time in between it is opening. So for creating the environment, guys, first I have to go to the this in our file and preferences. Here I have to add the board. So for this board, some URLs you need. For this URLs I have pasted here already in my GitHub page. There you can able to access. If you will go there, this Teensy 4.0 board, it is my repository. Here you can see related to this board everything reference material I have already put it here. You can see here the readme.txt file. If we'll open here, so three URLs are there. So this third one is the for Arduino IDE board manager URL. This is the URL. If you will copy this one, this URL you have this URL you have to copy, and now you have to go in our Arduino IDE. You have to paste it here. In my Arduino IDE already pasted here. So I'm closing this one. Then after that one, you have to go here this board manager. You have to type TEENSY. So this one it will come. So in my already it is showing here installed. So but in your ID it will not show. So you have to install here. Then after installing, so you have to go this our file example, and you have to go this sorry, digital, sorry, basic and blink program you have to use for this Arduino IDE. So guys, and one more thing I want to show you. If you will see here in my repository, I pasted here one exe file. This is a Teensy exe file. So you need to download this. This is the exe file for dumping the code in our Teensy board. So you have to after opening this file, our LED blinking file, then if you will go here tools, and you have to select the board. In my Teensy board I am going to use the Teensy 4.0 board. You have to click it this one. Then you have to select comport. In my ID now I am not using the comport, but I already tested it will work properly. You can select here the port. Then after selecting the port, you have to click on the upload button. Then automatically this pop-up will come, like guys, this pop-up will come for this one, like this pop-up will come. So it will show you have to press the Teensy to manually enter mode button. That time you have to press the single time button on your Teensy board. Then it will automatically dump in your port, and in dump in port. And I want to show you the working video of this LED blinking. Here I'm going to show you. This is the working video of this our LED blinking code. And if you will go here, I pasted here this URL also, as I told you in my this readme.txt file. This is second URL. If you will open this one, here you can see all steps are there how to make the environment. I also, if you are not able to do, then you can access this one, you can see here. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for visit Electronic Studio. Before leaving, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.